keeps your car clean, organized, odor-free, and makes disposing of everyday trash quick and hassle-free. My today's video is about top 5 best car trash bags that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Noaman Car Trash Bags. These disposable car trash bags are a practical solution for keeping your vehicle clean without the hassle of washing bulky trash cans. The generous 2.5-gallon capacity easily handles everyday waste like snack wrappers, tissues, bottles, and diapers while maintaining a slim, space-saving design. Made from durable, leak-resistant PE material, the bags help contain small spills, and the adhesive sealing strip reduces odors after disposal. The versatile 2-in-1 mounting system lets you either hang the bag from a headrest or stick it to smooth interior surfaces, making installation quick and convenient. With 50 bags included, you'll have plenty for daily commuting, road trips, rideshare driving, or family travel. Their lightweight design also makes them useful beyond the car, including RVs, boats, strollers, camping, and even home use. If you want an affordable, disposable alternative to traditional car trash cans, these bags offer a simple, clean, and convenient way to manage waste on the go. Now our second product is Lusso Gear Car Trash Bags. The Lusso Gear Car Trash Can is a smart and practical accessory for keeping your vehicle neat and organized. Its generous 2.5-gallon capacity easily holds everyday trash like wrappers, bottles, and tissues, making it perfect for daily commutes and long road trips. Constructed from durable, waterproof Oxford fabric, it's built to last and is easy to wipe clean. The flip-top lid helps conceal garbage while minimizing odors, keeping your car interior fresh. A removable leak-proof liner makes cleanup simple, especially after accidental spills, and the hooks allow you to add disposable bags for extra convenience. Beyond waste storage, the side mesh pockets and front zipper pocket provide additional space for organizing small travel essentials. Lightweight yet sturdy, it hangs securely in the front or back seat without taking up much room. Overall, this trash can combines durability, convenience, and thoughtful storage features, making it an excellent addition to any car, truck, or SUV. Our third product is Vankor Car Trash Bags. The Vankor Car Trash Can is a practical solution for keeping your vehicle clean, organized, and clutter-free. Its spacious 2.2 to 3.0-gallon capacity easily handles daily waste, while the 100% leak-proof PVA lining prevents spills and makes cleaning quick and easy. The large elastic opening allows you to dispose of trash effortlessly, and the side clasps securely hold disposable bags in place. Beyond serving as a trash bin, it also functions as a convenient storage organizer with 3 exterior pockets for tissues, snacks, wipes, umbrellas, and other travel essentials. The adjustable strap makes installation flexible, allowing it to hang from a headrest, gear shift, glove box, or seat back. Its waterproof construction also makes it useful for camping, picnics, and outdoor trips. Compatible with sedans, SUVs, trucks, RVs, vans, boats, and more, this foldable trash can combines durability, versatility, and convenience, making it an excellent accessory for maintaining a tidy and organized vehicle. Now number 4, HOTOR Car Trash Bags. The HOTOR Car Trash Can is a versatile and well-designed accessory that helps keep your vehicle clean and organized. Its adjustable strap allows easy installation on front or rear headrests or the center console, while the collapsible design saves space when not in use. One of its standout features is the 4 magnetic snaps that securely hold disposable trash bags, making replacements quick and hassle-free. The waterproof, leak-proof inner lining effectively contains spills and is easy to wipe clean, making it ideal for everyday use. Beyond collecting trash, this multifunctional organizer can store cups, toys, snacks, and other travel essentials, and it can even double as a small cooler for drinks. Built with durability in mind, it fits a wide range of vehicles, including sedans, SUVs, and trucks. Overall, the HOTOR Car Trash Can combines convenience, practicality, and thoughtful features, making it an excellent choice for anyone who wants a cleaner, more organized driving experience. And our last choice is Evoultes Car Trash Bags. These disposable car garbage bags offer a simple and effective way to keep your vehicle clean and clutter-free. Made from thick industrial recycled plastic, they are durable, leak-proof, and strong enough to hold everyday waste like cups, bottles, wrappers, tissues, and food containers without tearing. The odor-resistant design helps contain unpleasant smells, making them especially useful for long commutes, family trips, and rideshare drivers. With a generous 2-gallon capacity, each bag hangs conveniently from a headrest, gearshift, or seatback, keeping trash within easy reach while saving space. The perforated tier lines make replacement quick and effortless. Just hang, fill, seal, and dispose for hassle-free cleanup. Beyond the car, these versatile bags are also great for trucks, SUVs, RVs, boats, campers, strollers, and outdoor adventures. Combining convenience, durability, and practicality, these disposable trash bags are an excellent choice for anyone looking to maintain a cleaner, more organized vehicle with minimal effort. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.